Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Alipay and create an Alipay account in just a few simple steps. First, open the Google Play Store if you're using Android, or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Search for Alipay and download the official app. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the Sign Up button. Select your country or region and enter your mobile phone number. Alipay will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code and continue with the registration process. You may need to provide basic information such as your name, email address, and create a secure password. In some cases, Alipay may ask you to complete identity verification. Simply follow the instructions on the screen and provide the required documents if needed. After your account is successfully created, you can access various features including online payments, money transfers, shopping payments, and other financial services available in your region. Remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password and enabling additional security features whenever possible. If you are having trouble creating an Alipay account or need assistance with account-related services, you can visit Cyber IT for support and guidance. Their team can help answer common questions and provide additional information about digital account services. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech guides and online service tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.